Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. I am the mathematics mentor, and today let us discuss about matrix inversion method. Consider the matrix equation. What is matrix equation? That is Ax is equal to D. So here A is called augmented matrix, coefficient matrix, X is called variable matrix, and D is called constant matrix. What you do, children? As A is multiplying here, if you transpose, it will become 1 by A into D. As A is multiplying over here, if you transpose, it will become 1 by A. So X is equal to 1 by A, I can write as A inverse into D. Okay, as we know that, what do you mean by X? X in the sense, it is a variable matrix, that is X, Y, Z is equal to, what is A inverse? We have the formula, A inverse is equal to, what is the formula? Adjoint A by det A. Yes, we know that A inverse is nothing but adjoint A by det A into, what is D? D is called what? Constant matrix. I can say D1, D2, D3. So children, actually we have to find the value of X, Y, Z. How to solve the given system of equations by using matrix inversion method, that is adjoint A by det A into D1, D2, D3. Okay, see, let us consider the following system of equations. Consider the following system of equations: 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 18. This is equation number 1. Second equation, 2x minus y plus 8z is equal to 13. This is equation number 2. 5x minus 2y plus 7z is equal to 20, which is our equation number 3. Okay children, so let us find coefficient matrix. Here x coefficient is 3, y coefficient is 4, z coefficient is 5, and here x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is minus 1, z coefficient is 8. Here x coefficient is 5, y coefficient is minus 2, and z coefficient is 7. So that is A, which is called as a coefficient matrix. Next, what is x children? X is equal to x, y, z. This is called as variable matrix. Next, I have to find constant matrix. They are 18, 13 and 20. Okay, so the thing is, what we have to find children? We have to find the x constant matrix, variable matrix x. X is equal to, what is the formula? A inverse into D. So what is the formula of A inverse? Adjoint A by det A. Children, the thing is here, we have to find first of all det A. So let us find det A, that is modulo of 3, 4, 5, 2, minus 1, 8, 5, minus 2, 7. So, what is the det? Plus, minus and plus. Here 3 into that corresponding colon, corresponding row. If you remove minus 1 into 7, minus 7, minus into minus plus, 2 8 is 16. Then minus 4 into 2 7 is 14, minus 5 8 is 40. Plus 5 into 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus into minus plus, that is 5. So 3 into 16 minus 7, 9, minus 4 into 14 minus 40, that is minus 26 plus 5 into 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1, children. So 3 9 are 27 plus 4 6 are 24, 4 2 are 8 plus 2, 104 plus 5. So 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 7 16, 1 3, that is 136. So what is the debt? Debt A, children? We got debt A which is equal to 136. Okay, that is right. Debt value is 136. Okay, we got debt value. Now the thing is, what we have to find, children? We have to find adjoint A. How to find adjoint A? How to find adjoint A? We know that adjoint A in the sense, first of all, we need to find cofactor of matrix A. So we have to find cofactor of matrix A, that is called as B, children. Okay, let us represent with the matrix B. How to find cofactor, children? So this is plus, minus, plus, let us say minus, plus, plus, minus, minus, plus. Let us find the cofactor of each and every element. Okay, for first 3, minus 7, minus into minus plus, minus 7 plus 16. See, if you want to find the cofactor of 3, for cofactor of 3, what to do, children? That corresponding column, corresponding row you remove. We got minus 1 8, minus 2 7, minus 1 into 7, minus into minus plus 2 8 is 16. So 16 minus 7, how much, children? 9. So what is the cofactor of 3? That is 9. Okay, actually sign is plus 9 only. Now let us find cofactor of 4, children. Second element is 4. Let us find the cofactor of 4. Corresponding column, corresponding row. We have the elements 2, 8, 5, 7. Let us find determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. So A1, B2, 2 into 7, 14, minus A2, B1, 8 5 are 40, which is equal to minus 26. But actually, what is the sign here, children? Minus, right? Minus into minus, plus, children. Now let us find cofactor of, let us find the cofactor of 5. What is the cofactor of 5? Corresponding column, corresponding row you remove. We have 2, minus 1, 5, minus 2. 2 into minus 2, 2 2 are 4, minus into minus plus 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Actually plus is, sign also plus, so answer is 1. Okay. Similarly, let us find cofactor of 2, corresponding row, corresponding column. We have the elements 4, 5, minus 2, 7. 4, 5, minus 2, 7. 4 7 are 28, minus into minus plus 2 5 are 10. That is equal to 38, children. Right? So 2 we are finding, corresponding column, corresponding row. Yes. Actually the sign is what here? Minus. So answer is minus 38, children. Okay. Now let us find the cofactor of minus 1, corresponding column, corresponding row. 3 5 5 7. 3 5 5 7. 3 7 is 21, minus 5 5 is 25. 21 minus 25, minus 4, children. But the sign is plus here, plus into minus minus, so minus 4. Now let us find cofactor of 8, children. What is the cofactor of 8? Corresponding row and corresponding column you remove. We have the elements 3 4 5 minus 2. 3 4 5 minus 2. Right? 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 5 into 4, 20. So minus 26, children. But the sign is here minus, so minus into minus plus, children, that is 26. Okay. Now let us find cofactor of 5, corresponding row, corresponding colon 4, 5 minus 1, 8. 4, 5 minus 1, 8. So 4 into 8, 4 8 is 32 minus into minus plus 1 5 is 5. So 32 plus 5, 37. Actually sign is plus, so answer also plus only, children. Now let us find cofactor of minus 2. So corresponding row, corresponding colon, we have 3, 5, 2, 8. 3, 5, 2, 8. 3 8 is 24 minus 2 5 is 10. 24 minus 10, 14. Actually sign is minus, so answer is minus 14, children. At last we have element 7. What is the cofactor of element 7? That corresponding colon, corresponding row you remove. 3, 4, 2 minus 1. 3, 4, 2 minus 1. That is 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 4, 2 4 is 8. So the answer is minus 11. So this is our cofactor of matrix A, that is called as B. Once if you find B transpose, that is called adjoint A. Adjoint A in the sense what, children? We have to transpose. So transpose in the sense first row becomes colon, second row becomes second colon, and third row becomes third colon, children. This is our adjoint A. Okay, we got that A as well as adjoint A. Okay, let us substitute that in formula. What is the formula, children, for finding inversion? That is x is equal to A inverse into D. X is equal to A inverse in the sense adjoint A by det A into D1, D2, D3. Children, what is adjoint A? X is nothing but x, y, z. We got that A is 136. I can write as 1 by 136 into, I can write as 1 by that A. So 1 by 136, adjoint A is 9 minus 38, 37, 26 minus 4 minus 14, 1, 26 minus 11. Children, you understood how? Adjoint A by det A, I can write as 1 by det A into adjoint A. D1, D2, D3 are what? 18, 13, 20. 18, 13, 20, children. Now listen carefully. Let it be 1 by 136. See, multiplication of matrix, first row, first column. That is 9 into 18 plus minus 38 into 13 plus 37 into 20, children. First row, first column. 9 into 18 plus minus 38 into 13 plus 37 into 20. Similarly, second row, first column. That is 26 into 18 plus minus 4 into 13 plus minus 14 into 20. Similarly, 1 into 18 plus 26 into 13 plus minus 11 into 20. Okay, children. So 1 by 136 into 89 is 172 plus into minus minus 38 into 13, 3 8 is 24, 3 3 is 9 plus 2 11, 1 8 is 8, 1 3 is 3. 4 9 4 minus 494 plus 37 2 is 2 7 is 14, 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7, that is 740. So 18 6 is 108, 18 2 is 36 plus 10 46, 13 4 is 52, 14 2 is 28, 1 18 is 18 plus 13 6 is 78, 13 2 is 26 plus 7 33, minus 11 2s are 22. Now children, let us add 740 and 172. 740 plus 172 to 11 9 12 minus 494. 12 minus 4 8. 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 4 5. Sorry, 8 minus 4 4. 12 minus 4 8. 10 minus 9 0 will be 10 minus 9 1. 18 9 ja, sorry, 162 children. Here we did somewhat wrong. 18 9 ja 162. 4 plus 6 10 here. And this is 9. 12 minus 4 8. 9 minus 9 0. So this is 408. So 1 by 136 into 408. Next let us add these two values children, 52 and 280. 280 plus 52, 2, 8 plus 5 13, that is 332. So 468 minus 332, 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus 3 3, 4 minus 3 1, I mean 136. Now let us see third one. First let us add these two values, 338 plus 18, 16, 356 minus 220, 6 3 1, which is also 136 children. Yes. Now see children, first we added 162 and 740, from that we subtracted 494, we got 408. Then we added 280 52, that answer we subtracted from 468, we got 136. Then we added 338 and 18, that we got 356, minus 220, we got 136. Now what to do children? Multiplication, I mean 408 by 136. Let me write here. So that is x, y, z is equal to 408 by 136, and the second one is 1 by 136 into 136, I mean 136 by 136. Next 1 by 136 into 136, 136 by 136. 1 jar, 3 jar, 136 1 jar, 136 1 jar, 136 1 jar, 136 1 jar. How much we got children? That is equal to 3 1 1. So what is the value of x children? We got x is equal to 3, y equal to 1 and z is equal to 1. Okay, this is the procedure for solving system of equations by using matrix inversion method. So matrix inversion method means we need to remember, that is x is equal to A inverse into D. So this is the most important point. X is equal to A inverse into D. Okay, what is A inverse children? A inverse in the sense adjoint A by det A. Right? So we know D is nothing but D1, D2, D3. Okay. See, while doing calculation, sometimes it may go wrong. So while calculating, be careful. That is for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I hope you understood this matrix inversion method children. If you like, please subscribe my channel children. Thank you.